All the things that I've learned in the last 20 years, I'll be sharing as much as I can. We're gonna tell them about the membership. Levi is here with me. Oh, you wanna read the book? The official announcement, Levi, are you ready? What's in the book? When I first started my YouTube channel, I decided to call it Debi's Design Diary. I wanted it to be videos with stories that went along with them. Before I get started, I want to say that my YouTube videos will always be free. But please know that I'm not taking anything away. I'm adding something extra for those who want it. The best part about telling the stories is getting to hear all of your stories in the comments. After I started sharing my life stories in videos, you started telling me your stories in the comments, and they have been amazing. Stories about wearing 2 different cowboy boots to a concert, about losing a shoe in the middle of a graduation ceremony, stories of loss and precious moments with old friends. All of this inspired me to create a place for you to document and share your own stories, your personal diary, for inspiration and creativity. I plan to complete and print an actual design diary in a year, and I hope that we can create it together. You know when you get those really cute day planners with all of the stickers and the calendar? Well, this is like that, but only for design. It will help you tell your own stories. Get a link so you can download all of the worksheets at the beginning of every month. It's going to be your own personal design diaries. There'll be a private link for you to download different pages from every tab, and then I'll go live after I download the pages. By the end of the year, there'll be a book that you and I have written together. This is what it says right here. Paint Basics. That's the first tab, Wax 101. There'll be one worksheet for every tab every single month. Project Recipes, that's the next category. So I have one for the mermaid dresser. It gives you a list of all the supplies, where to get the supplies. Each project recipe card will give you a breakdown of my favorite DIY projects with a QR code that will take you back to the video simply by hovering over the code with your phone in photo mode. You can print out each page and add them to your own binder, or you can purchase a members-only binder with tabs and extra goodies on my website, but you will still need to print out the new pages every month. There's also blank worksheets so that you can start your own project and get everything organized. Color recipes. I took Apothecary and Old 57 and I mixed them together 50-50. I will give you a new recipe every month, but there will also be blank sheets for you to make your own colors with. I'll be sharing color mixing recipes from the DIY retailers each month, and there will be blank recipe cards so you can experiment with your own color mixes. Most of the photos I take are with my iPhone. You can take totally great pictures with your phone, and I'm going to be giving you some tips and some tricks on how I stage my furniture. The next tab is building a creative business, behind the scenes on how I make my videos, breakdown of how to tell a good story. The first worksheet I have here is the basics on how I make my videos and kind of breaking down what's going on in my head. This is my video making process, so that will be one of the worksheets. Take it off of autofocus and I put it onto manual focus. In the beginning, when I made my first videos, I closed all the blinds and I locked the door, and I lived alone, but for some reason I just felt so self-conscious, and I needed that safe place and not worry about people judging me. I'll be shooting a video. As I'm shooting it, an idea will pop in my head, just like when you're painting a piece of furniture. It's the same with video. You're creating bits and pieces that come together, tell a story, so allow yourself to be creative. If you go to the flea market and you find something that you really like, you can document where you found it, how much you paid for it, and there'll be these planning worksheets in here that will help you develop ideas for what you do with it. Every month there will be new worksheets for your binder. I have lots of ideas to share, but the content will also depend on you and the feedback that I get from you in the live stream videos. The YouTube live video. I hardly ever do live videos because I get nervous. We can have conversation. I'll be able to answer your questions right there in the live videos. It will just be us.
And there's a lesson here. I am what I believe.
Members of my design team will also get special badges and emojis. If you would like to join for just $5 a month, click the link above or in the description. This will take you to the join button on my YouTube channel. Please note that you will need to provide an email address for the downloads, but we will not share your info and you can cancel at any time.
And I know life, it ain't easy. I've come so far, and I just can't give up now.
I hope to meet you in my group. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Can't feel it, but I choose to.